Hi, welcome to NonStopChess channel. In the previous video, we learned about the pin tactics. Today we will learn about the skewers tactics. In the pin, the lesser point value piece is in front, which prevents capture of more valuable piece. In skewer is opposite of pin, where the more valuable piece is in front and is forced to move away so that we can capture the lesser valuable piece behind it, giving us material advantage. An absolute skewer occurs when the king is in front and the valuable piece is behind that king. As a beginner, let's look at a common occurrence in the endgame where we are a pawn up but end up drawing the game. Using the absolute skewer tactics, we'll learn how to win those games. In this game, white is pawn up and black king is closer to the white pawn, and the rook is defending this pawn very well. Usually they try to move the rook to give a check and promote it, but since the rook is protecting this pawn, it is not possible. Try to find a white move which we can use using the absolute skewer tactics in this position. Okay. Here the first move is rook h8. Here if the king moves to king d7, this pawn gets promoted and white will win. If the rook captures, white will capture the rook and white will win this game. Instead, if black captures with the rook, then using the absolute skewer tactics, white can just play rook h7, and now the black king is forced to move and give way for winning the rook. Though it is a simple technique, you can use it effectively to win more games. Hope you enjoyed this video to understand the skewer tactics. In many of the previous video, I had used the skewer example. We'll see who is the first person to find out some of them. To summarize, try to avoid moving your pieces skewered whenever possible. Look for several unprotected pieces in the same. Likewise, two bishops or knights on the same rank or file adjacent to each other are vulnerable to being skewed by a rook or queen. Especially be aware of any piece that could be skewered along the same line as your king. If you like the video, share it with your other chess friends. Thanks for watching and your subscription.